Hello and welcome to InstaMojo Short Tutorials. Today we will talk about the scripts feature. Did you know you can increase your sales by 74% just by making a few tweaks to your online store? Yes, that's true. Many global surveys also state this. Providing a tailor-made online store experience to your customers can make them feel special, convince them to buy your products, help you build your customer loyalty, and increase your brand's credibility. With our scripts feature, you can now add these elements to your InstaMojo online store. But first, let's understand what exactly scripts are and why do you need them. Scripts are a small snippet of code that you can add to your store to customize its web pages. These snippets can be used to add many third-party elements to your store like chatbots, pop-ups, forms, and a lot more. With these scripts, you can add pop-ups for announcements and discounts, increase sales by adding product suggestions for your customers, increase customer engagement using chatbots and review forms, enhance customer experience using timers and nudges. The possibilities are endless. Now that we have a better understanding on what scripts are, let's understand how you can add them to your store. First, log into your InstaMojo dashboard. You need to be a premium store user to access scripts. Buy the premium subscription if you haven't by clicking on the subscription plan here and choosing the best plan for you. Once you're inside the dashboard, select Scripts option under the Store Setup bit. Click on the Add Page Specific Scripts button on the top right corner. A pop-up window appears. Select the page where you want to add the elements from this drop-down list. You can choose store-wide to add elements all over your online store or choose a specific page type. If you choose any other option except store-wide, another drop-down menu will appear asking for the specific page, category or product where you want to add the element. Here I have selected store-wide as an example. Choose the section where you want to add the script. Here I have selected header. The next step is to enter the script for the element you wish to add in the scripts dialog box. Click on Create. To enter elements from any of the apps present in the App Store, sign up on these apps, choose an element of your choice, copy the code and paste it in the script dialog box. For this video, I have selected Talk.to, which is a chatbot. You can visit our App Store here to see all the apps that you can connect to your online store. Once done, you can check your online store to ensure that the element is correctly added and works as expected. Voila, you've successfully added an interactive element to your online store. You can also edit or delete the custom scripts using this action here. This compelling feature can enhance your user experience, increase customer footfall, and amplify your sales. So get started with it today. We will keep covering such features and tricks in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned.